Hi, my name is Patrick. I'm a marketer at Unito, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how our project manager can create a live two-way sync between Azure DevOps and Wrike. As you can see, we have a project open on Azure DevOps called Project Bugs Q3, and I'll be syncing it with this video test project on Wrike, which I left empty just for demonstration purposes. First, I'll create a work item on ADO and then monitor as it populates as a task on Wrike. Upon refreshing, we should see our issue reflected as a task. Perfect, here it is. So as you can see, the assignee was also transferred over. Any information that matches the fields we've set up on the Unito app will be shared across tools, which significantly aids in collaboration between different teams using different tools. To illustrate, I'm going to add a comment on Wrike, and then we'll open back up ADO and watch that comment appear. I'll pull up our issue that we created, and perfect. Here it is, our comment from Wrike. As you can see, it's extremely effective and useful for connecting different teams using different tools. You have a shared source of truth, not a single source of truth. And everyone can stay on the tool they prefer, wherever they're the most productive, yet still transfer information back and forth. Now that you've seen how it works, let me show you how to create this two-way sync. First, we'll hit Create Flow and connect our tools. I'll select Wrike and choose the project as well. In this example, it's the video test project we saw earlier. Then I'll choose ADO and select my account and our Q3 bugs project. Here, we set our flow direction. Since we want work item creations on either tool to be reflected on the other, I'm going to make this a two-way sync. Then we'll choose tasks and work items that we want to sync. Here we're essentially creating rules to define what gets synced across tools. For instance, if a task is created in Wrike in our video test project with the status open, subfolders are included and the task has a creation date of today or later, then a matching work item in ADO in the Project Bugs Q3 project is created, and the two are kept in sync. This defines what the work item will be translated into, and the default swim lane as well. We also have the inverse for ADO, where if a work item is created here, and the status is open, and the creation date is on or after today, then a matching task in Wrike is created, and the two are kept in sync. Next, we'll map our fields. Unito offers a great auto mapping feature, which I'm relying on in our use case here in this example. Auto mapping is very intuitive. Comments become comments, due dates become due dates, assignee becomes assignee, and then there are some tool-specific fields as well. For example, duration on Wrike could become remaining work on ADO. Plus, with Unito, fields are super customizable. And for each pair, you can decide whether they are synced one way or both ways across tools. I'll confirm here and move to the next step, which is launching our flow. I'll name our flow, launch it, and we're live.